Alright, welcome back to Rob's RC Insanity. And this is going to be a difficult video. I'm going to have to try to hold my phone and this controller at the same time to fly this thing. This is the DEERC DE51. Now this is a neat little indoor helicopter, but if you take a little bit of weight, like I took a wood screw, taped it to the front, if there's any kind of breeze outside, you can fly through it. So we're going to take this out here and we're going to fly around for a minute. It's just a 3-channel. We've got her in higher rates now. Bring her back down here. Sun's in my eyes, I can't see. Come back to me. I'm going to have to adjust that screw just a bit. Get it to pull through this wind. A very neat little helicopter. Up close on it there. Too close. Wind's catching it just a little bit. Yeah. Back. I'm not putting myself out again. Side to side here. Oh, and down we went. Down we went. Oh, goodness. Okay. Let's put her back up here. There it is. Let's see if I can adjust this out just a little bit. Hang on just a second. forward just a little bit. She has cut through the hair just a little better now. Back over this way. Oh, and down we go again. So it's just a tad bit breezy, but as you can see, putting a little bit of nose weight on them does help, because it absolutely would not fly a dog without that. So let's go ahead and flip her off. There we go. It's a good looking helicopter. Very good looking helicopter. You come with two canopies. You've got the red and white and a blue and white. And neat little flyer. Like I said, get the transmitter off. Lay it down here so you can see it. Not a bad little transmitter. You got automatic takeoff and land. I'm not sure what that one does. This was your speeds, high speed, low speed. And I think these are trim buttons over here. I'll have to get the instructions out and look at them. But I believe these are your trims over here. And all you have is up and down here. And then you have forward, backwards, left, right. So it's just a 2-channel or 3-channel. I don't know how you would call that, but it's a good little helicopter. I've enjoyed it. Had a lot of fun with it. I apologize if the video was bad. I was trying to hold my phone behind the controller and fly it. These back buttons do nothing. They're just there. I guess maybe another model they do something. I don't know. But decent sized helicopter. Has a lot of weight to it to be a cheap little toy copter like this. It's pretty hefty. It's got some metal on the sides there. Got a metal tail bar. They are brushed motors. One in the rear. Obviously one up front. Don't know if this is direct drive. Nope, there's a gear in there. So it is gear driven. Like I said, it's a good little helicopter. It's a lot of fun. This is called the DEERC DE51, I think is what it's called. Walk over to the box, take a look. Yep, the DEERC DE51. 2 different shells, altitude hold. Comes with 2 batteries. Here we go. Does have 1 key start landing, emergency. That's what that other one was, emergency stop. You got 2 speed modes, 2.4 gigahertz, and then you do have a light up front and one in the back. So here's for your remote. One key takeoff. Is your first button. Second button is 1 key landing and hold it down for emergency stop. Light control. That's what the other bottom button is. And then your different speed mode. Okay, so you can turn your lights on and off. So that's pretty cool. Yes, and the other buttons are trim. They are steer, trim, right, left, like I thought it was. So it's pretty neat. Pretty neat little helicopter. Get a pretty good flight time out of it. Very cheap. I don't think it was very much. Maybe 30, 40 bucks, something like that. Very cheap little helicopter. So, a lot of fun. You can always check it out. Found this one on eBay. Wasn't very much at all. Just look up DEERC and you'll find it. It's there. As always, appreciate you all watching, and I will catch you in the next video.